Vanessa from Magdalena Designs. I'm here at a Martensville addition project that I've been talking a lot about, and today's the day kind of thing. Next week we're starting demo, so I thought I'd show you inside, show you a little bit of the before in a different way this time, and I'll take you in and give you the tour, so come on in. What I really liked about these clients was they're not afraid of wood. So we're gonna do a white kitchen, but a massive big wood hood, beautiful hood that's gonna be the central just kind of highlight of this whole open space, and a beautiful island that's not going to be so much wider because we still want to leave a lot of room for the dining space, but it's going to be deep, and it's just going to be a nice chunky piece in the middle of the kitchen, and we're going to have nice seating there, and then it's actually going to be accessible on this side, the working side, and the other side as well. What's important when working with big open spaces like these, and it's getting really popular to have the nice open kitchen and open spaces, is you still, if you're able to, being able to really define the spaces is great. So that's kind of what we're going to do with the beams and the coffered ceiling. So we're going to have one here, and that one will just be decorative. Really the only one that we need is this one, but that'll be able to define kind of the kitchen. Then this will be also the dining room, and then now all of the living space, and then this other one will come right in the middle of the fireplace here. So we'll have a nice big fireplace wall with some cabinetry on one side, a bench on the other side. It's going to feel so much more spacious, and it's just going to bring everybody together when they gather and have company over. So here's the entry that they actually use most of the time, which is the garage, and here we have the laundry. So again, when we talked about making the upstairs bigger as well, kind of talked about the things that's frustrating them in their house and trying to make it better. So here's the laundry, and they wanted to make a bench and a little bit of the mud room, but the laundry obviously takes a big space in there, so we're now actually going to move it upstairs and have it upstairs as a proper laundry room, and then here we'll be able to do a proper mud room with a bench, some tall storage, and also a little drop zone here. And we're going to do a really fun floor and some color in here, and this space is going to be so much more usable now. Now we're upstairs. The flooring here is all going to change, and downstairs as well. So new carpet, new laminate downstairs, waterproof laminate, and now here is where I was talking to you about the laundry that we're going to move upstairs. For now, this is just a little linen closet, but the way we're changing things in the ensuite, we're actually going to have more depth here. So this is where we're going to put the laundry room. So when proposing the bigger addition and the addition versus just reusing the space that they have, I think how I won the client's mind is that with the addition on the second floor, now the bedrooms are going to also be a lot bigger. So now imagine 9 feet out, and this is the bathroom here, the kids' bathroom here, but now you'll have a big 9-foot space to kind of do something here. And I thought we could actually do a full walk-in closet here. And they wanted a little bit of an office area, so we're going to tie that in. It's going to be an open space with a little bit of a desk, and then walk into the closet area. So I think that's going to make the room feel so much bigger. We'll be able to do a nice focal point here on the bedroom wall. We're going to do something fun with that. And then here is where we're gaining the space. This was the linen closet in the hallway, so this is where we're gaining the space for the laundry room. So now that they have so much more space here, we're actually going to bring the ensuite a little bit in, move everything, the vanity, the toilet a little bit more in, and then give them a huge shower. They actually don't use the bath, so that's really nice when you can customize your house to whatever you like. So they don't really use the bath that much, so we're going to do a huge walk-in shower, and it's all going to be the same flooring throughout. We'll be able, just because of the space, to just have a little bit of a half wall between the toilet and the shower. So although we'll be keeping the vanity, again, trying to reuse as much stuff as we can to keep the price down and the budget fairly fair, but it's still going to be a huge change. We're going to change the countertop, flooring, and then have a big walk-in shower. So it's going to give them the ensuite that they always wanted. So I hope this gives you a really good idea of the project and the transformation that's going to happen here in the next few weeks. Stay tuned for the after pictures. I was really excited to show you guys around and can't wait to get started on this project.